about our Jamaican brothers and sisters in this Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. They out here wilding. Look at this.
See that, Miss Boom! Boom, lad!
God. Jesus Christ, 2,000 people listening. 2,000 people listening. It's only near 2,000 people. We don't really know something for that. See DJ, they don't want to DJ, Lord Jesus. See that now? I have some hypocrisy start.
I got some hypocrisy now.
I didn't think it would get this bad. They said it would pass Jamaica by. It's not passing.
Imagine going to a Caribbean island during hurricane season, then being shocked when a hurricane pulls up during hurricane season to a Caribbean island. You went to a Caribbean island during hurricane season and you are now surprised that you are not being treated as a tourist during an active hurricane. Do you know how much?
Yeah, hear me though. See crowd now. It's different. Yeah, man. Get your loot. Not like when I keep on a josh. Many hungry meals me used to face my job for that. No Jordan soon no up, so me I go one more working spot. No any part the rocks when me I blow out on the yacht. Them brown and black, them pussy fuck. Yeah, more to push the dick, me got between your butt. Glow, you got, me I got I'm a brass. Stop party alone, let me have the vibe shot. Ah, that's good. I feel like my living now. Anyway, I see what my damn killing out. Money up to make no time for chill out. If you agree, but you can't friend now. Every time I think of you,
Come here. People support the life. What's up, Two people support the life goal. Let me bump buckler. We not even know so much how we over here, people. Two are the real people, them. Support the life goal, please. Then we get back to the party. If I even the smallest one.
The skies are real.
If I even the smallest one.
Phones are never real. Blood line are just all line up and walk and feel. Them touch mine, them must mine on the road, me have to steal. So the casket close up. I'm some worry up for real, me see some killers close up. Yo, them heart and never steal. Load mine and go to war. Roadside and up for fire. Them try to kill your dreams, them wanna strive to touch this time. I'm 4 or 5 in a me car. More life in a guitar.
Because the music loud.
Some life in a go far. And it make no surprise.
Water! Water, my side! Look at Melissa! Melissa! Alright. Before you come on land, me have a list of people who want you take. Take all the gunmen, them bad mind, thief and rapists. Take all of the girls that want to give a free. Take all the man them want to mind them youth. Take JPS, them too expensive. Take Andrew only. No! But I tell you if you take EU boss, but him gone to England and smell the rat. Take Money Idol boss, I be a foolish him sing. Take Annie and the Ants family, we're tired of them, and take away Annie old car. Take Jalen because of every girl him want to eat. Take Shibada the old fridge where him sit down pan. But I tell you if you take Rosalie, but she too heavy for you. I want your bad mind, leave the girl BMW alone. Take Monster Boss because he not want to toilet. Yaga America though. Yeah. Take Auntie and a passport and she steal the transmission them over there. Take Bind for your wine pan him head top. Take Zuma for your back in fist on the mother again. Leave Jakes alone and him new house. Him have ambition. Take Jabas because he mash up the one view. Take Mackerel because she an informer. Take Cuz for call him baby mother auntie. Take Dirty Zozo and leave Brit alone. Alright, I hit that. You